talking super simple ingredients that can all be found in your book. I like to call these longevity recipes, really recipes that focus on making our body feel good on the inside and out. I feel eating this way for me.
Meet Dr. William Li, a world-renowned Harvard-trained medical doctor, researcher, and president and founder of the Angiogenesis Foundation, who has significantly contributed to medical science. His work has led to more than 40 FDA-approved therapeutics and devices for cancer, cardiovascular disease, wound healing, and vision loss. He is also a New York Times best-selling author with Eat to Beat Disease, the new science of how your body can heal itself. Recently, he published a new book, Eat to Beat Your Diet, Burn Fat, Heal Your Metabolism, and Live Longer. In today's video, we'll dive into 5 vibrant, nutrient-packed salads that can not only help regenerate stem cells, but also starve cancer and accelerate fat burn, all while tasting fresh and delicious. And because wellness begins at home, we'll walk you through simple, easy-to-follow salad recipes you can whip up in your own kitchen. After all, your daily meals play a major role in your long-term health. Much like other components in your lifestyle, what you eat every day can significantly influence your body's ability to repair and defend itself. Dr. William Li explains that certain foods not only encourage stem cells out of dormancy to repair tissues, but also work to inhibit cancer growth from the very start. By choosing the right ingredients, you're giving your body the tools to heal, rejuvenate, and thrive. But before we continue, this content is provided for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider with questions about your health or medical condition. Do not disregard professional advice or delay seeking it because of something you have read here. First, let's unpack a bit more about why having salads in your diet matters and why they're a key part of potentially helping against cancer. Salads, especially those loaded with dark, leafy, and cruciferous vegetables, are potent allies in the fight against cancer and fat loss because they deliver a powerful combination of fiber, antioxidants, phytochemicals, and low-calorie volume. Many salad ingredients boost metabolism by enhancing mitochondrial activity and suppressing hunger hormones, helping your body burn fat more efficiently. That in mind, let's dive into 5 delicious salads that harness this science to help keep your health flourishing. Carrot Crunch Bowl. Take this, a golden-hued bowl that not only bursts with fresh flavor, but empowers your body to regrow stem cells, starve cancer, and torch fat. Here we have a carrot-centric salad that packs a punch far beyond its color. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, luteolin, and polyacetylines, bioactives Dr. William Li calls nature's toolkit for angiogenesis regulation, stem cell stimulation, and cancer suppression. In his newsletter, Dr. Li even shares a fat-fighting carrot top salad, harnessing both the vibrant roots and their leafy greens to deliver metabolism-boosting nutrients and deep, detoxifying fiber.
Really delicious. And they also have a lot of dietary fiber and carotenoids. Not surprisingly, the name carotenoids, carrot, they're similar. These carotenoids get into your body and they help feed your gut microbiome along with the dietary fiber.
So how does this salad work its magic? First, the beta-carotene and luteolin in carrots act as potent antioxidants, helping neutralize free radicals and support healthy stem cell function. Simultaneously, the fiber-rich carrot tops feed beneficial gut microbes like Akkermansia mucinifera, which Dr. Li links to improved metabolic health and visceral fat reduction. Carotenoids in carrots also nourish the cellular repair system while enhancing mitochondrial efficiency, critical for cellular longevity and burning stubborn body fat. To make this powerhouse salad, grab 3 large organic carrots, tops included, wash and thinly slice the greens, then peel and grate the carrot roots. Toss them with a handful of halved cherry tomatoes, thinly sliced shiitake mushrooms for umami depth, and a light drizzle of extra virgin olive oil for healthy polyphenols. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, a pinch of sea salt, and a grind of black pepper. Gently massage to release flavors. Let it rest for 5 minutes before serving to allow the flavors to meld. What you get is a crunchy, zesty, golden green salad that's easy to prepare and perfect as a side or standalone lunch. So next time you reach for a veggie bowl, consider this carrot top creation, not just for its sweet, earthy taste, but for its science-backed power, rejuvenating stem cells, shutting down cancer pathways, and igniting fat-burning metabolism with each bite. Wild Grove Fig Mix. Imagine a lush, jewel-toned salad centered around fresh figs. Each bite offering not only a sweet and luscious experience, but also the potential to rejuvenate stem cells, starve cancer, and elevate fat-burning metabolism. According to Dr. William Lee, fruits with high polyphenol content can coax stem cells into action and support angiogenesis regulation, while also disrupting tumor blood supply and promoting cellular repair. Figs, with their rich array of polyphenols, flavonoids, and fiber, fit seamlessly into this science-backed framework, making them a powerful star ingredient in this salad.
It's got lycopene in it. Lycopene is a carotenoid. It actually lowers the risk of prostate cancer and breast cancer, and it fights body fat. Figs also have a lot of vitamin C, and they've got fiber, and guess what? They just taste great.
What makes fig the hero? First, the polyphenols in figs act as antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals, support DNA integrity, and encourage a healthy microvascular environment, key factors in both cancer suppression and tissue regeneration. The high fiber content, both soluble and insoluble, feeds beneficial gut bacteria, including species linked by Dr. Lee to improved metabolic health and reduced visceral fat. This gut fat axis is essential for sustained fat burning and overall wellness. To prepare this delightful fig salad, start by slicing 6 to 8 ripe fresh figs into halves or quarters. Layer them atop a bed of mixed greens, think baby kale, arugula, and spinach, for a blend of vitamins and stem-supporting nutrients. Add half a cup of crumbled goat cheese or dairy-free feta for creaminess and a pop of tang. Then scatter a 1/4 cup of chopped toasted walnuts, which bring additional L-glutathione linked to cancer defense. Drizzle with a simple dressing, made by whisking together 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, a teaspoon of honey, a pinch of sea salt, and freshly cracked pepper. Gently toss the salad to ensure the figs and walnuts are coated in the flavorful dressing. Let it rest for a couple of minutes to allow the flavors to meld. The result? A harmonious fusion of sweet fig flesh, creamy cheese, crunchy nuts, and peppery greens. A sensory delight with deep-seated wellness benefits baked into every forkful. Next time you crave something fresh and vibrant, reach for figs. Not only will this salad tantalize your taste buds, but it will also align with Dr. Lee's science-backed approach with each nutrient-rich mouthful at a time. But before we move on, if you are looking to dive deeper into the foods that can prevent cancer, be sure to subscribe to the Vitazen Health newsletter linked below. Each week, we share expert-backed tips, delicious recipes, and actionable steps to help you live longer and feel your best delivered right to your inbox. Watermelon Refresher Salad. A refreshing, rosy-cheeked salad starring crisp watermelon slices with each juicy forkful, doing double duty to hydrate, regenerate stem cells, starve cancer, and rev metabolism. Dr. William Lee highlights watermelon as rich in lycopene, citrulline, and polyphenols, compounds known to inhibit angiogenesis and stimulate stem cell activity, while supporting vascular health and detoxification. Lycopene, the pigment in watermelon, is a proven anti-angiogenic agent that helps cut off a tumor's blood supply, while citrulline boosts nitric oxide production, improving blood flow for healthy cell repair. Meanwhile, watermelon's natural water content also aids fat-burning metabolism by helping regulate body temperature and reducing appetite.
I love watermelon. It's mostly water, but guess what? It's red, so it's got lycopene. Same stuff. So I'm having a lycopene-rich breakfast, and frankly, that's all I'm having today.
But the benefits don't stop at hydration. Watermelon is loaded with antioxidants that protect DNA from mutations and reduce inflammation, two key pillars in cancer prevention and healthy aging. And according to Dr. Lee, polyphenol-rich fruits not only support stem cell activation, but also maintain microvascular integrity and help flush toxins, nature's systematic way to beat disease from within.
And what am I worried about? I'm worried about ultraviolet radiation. So I have a watermelon salad. Turns out that watermelon contains lycopene, and this lycopene, if you have it before you're exposed to bright sunlight, can protect your DNA from ultraviolet light.
To bring this superfood into a sumptuous salad, start with 4 cups of cubed, seedless watermelon chilled until firm. In a large bowl, combine the watermelon with 1 cup of arugula or baby spinach, a 1/4 cup of thinly sliced red onions for sharpness, and a 1/4 cup of crumbled feta or any vegan alternative to balance sweetness with creamy tang. Add a 1/2 cup of fresh mint leaves for brightness, an extra anti-inflammatory boost. Whisk together a dressing of 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon lime juice, a pinch of sea salt, and a dash of chili flakes for metabolism support and satisfying spice. Gently toss everything together and let it rest for 3 to 5 minutes so the juices meld into a harmonious blend of hydration, flavor, and function. So if you ever want something light but powerful, reach for this watermelon-forward salad. Not only will it delight your palate, but like Dr. Lee teaches, it's an easy yet science-backed strategy to reignite stem cell regeneration, starve cancer's blood vessels, and support a leaner, more resilient you over time. Crimson Berry Blast. Picture a jewel-toned salad that spotlights tart-sweet cranberries, each bite designed not only to tantalize your palate, but also packed with health-supporting power. According to Dr. William Lee, berries, cranberries included, are abundant in polyphenols such as proanthocyanidins, flavonols, and quercetin, which play a crucial role in regulating angiogenesis, protecting stem cells, and slowing cancer progression by disrupting tumor blood supply. Cranberries further support gut health and metabolic balance, 2 pillars Dr. Lee highlights for optimal fat loss and disease resilience.
Now, you may not know this, but cranberries are actually very healthy. They contain a bioactive called proanthocyanidins that have been shown to improve immunity, lower inflammation, and can help your metabolism. The other thing that cranberries can do is they can actually...
So what makes cranberries a superhero ingredient? First, their unique proanthocyanidins help strengthen blood vessel walls while inhibiting abnormal branching, a key cancer-starving tactic. These same compounds, as Dr. Lee notes, shield and nurture healthy stem cells, even while suppressing cancer stem cells. Additionally, the fiber found in dried or fresh cranberries fuels beneficial gut microbes associated with improved weight regulation and reduced inflammation. To craft this vibrant salad, start with 4 cups of mixed greens, baby spinach, watercress, and leaf lettuce, for a base rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Scatter over 1/2 cup of fresh or lightly sweetened dried cranberries and a 1/4 cup of toasted pecans, which bring additional L-glutanins and healthy fats to support vascular and cognitive health. Add a 1/4 cup of crumbled feta or goat cheese, or a vegan alternative for creaminess. Whisk together a bright dressing consisting of 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a drizzle of honey or maple syrup, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Gently toss the salad, then let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes so the flavors meld and the greens slightly wilt. So if you aim to snack on something crisp yet wholesome, reach for this cranberry-powered bowl. Not only does its sweet tart medley delight your taste buds, but it's a delicious way to fuel stem cell regeneration, close off cancer's blood supply, and rev metabolic fire. Blazing Crisp Bowl. Imagine a salad that brings together the vibrant heat of chili peppers that serves to wake up your taste buds and ignite your stem cells. Dr. William Li identifies chili peppers, rich in capsaicin, as a key spice in activating brown fat, reducing inflammation, and supporting cellular protection. A metabolic game changer that also contributes to longevity and disease resistance. Capsaicin's fiery kick signals the body to convert white fat into brown-like fat, increasing heat production and energy expenditure, helping your body burn old fat while regenerating healthy cells.
Turns out that chili peppers have something called capsaicin and capsinoid. These are natural chemicals that when you eat, they create the burn of chili. Now, chili, the capsaicin binds on your tongue to a receptor. That switch sends a signal to your brain, and then your brain, it tells your brain to release noradrenaline, norepinephrine. Now, that is a stress hormone that causes you to vasodilate and to sweat. But the other thing that the new science of the metabolism teaches us is that the noradrenaline, that norepinephrine, runs down nerves from your brain down to your brown fat.
But chili peppers don't just help with weight. They play a powerful role in cancer defense and tissue regeneration. Capsaicin has demonstrated anti-angiogenic effects, disrupting the blood vessel formation that tumors rely on. Plus, its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help preserve DNA integrity and support overall immune health. And when combined with other stem-activating foods, like in Dr. Li's recommended legume and chili pepper combos, these compounds help activate brown fat to lower inflammation and burn excess fat, factors tied to reduced cancer risk. To savor these benefits in a salad, gather 1 cup of roasted red chili pepper strips, mild or hot to taste, 2 cups of grilled corn kernels, and a cup of black beans for plant-based protein and fiber. Add a handful of chopped cilantro and thinly sliced red onion for freshness, and scatter a 1/4 cup of crumbled cotija or feta cheese or a dairy-free substitute for creaminess. Mix together a dressing of 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon lime juice, a teaspoon of honey, a pinch of cumin, and a touch of sea salt. Toss gently, then garnish with lime wedges and avocado slices for added healthy fats. Let the salad sit for 5 minutes to meld flavors and release the capsaicin's warmth. So, if your taste buds are feeling bold, choose this spicy salad. It's more than a hot treat, it's a practical plate that helps regenerate stem cells, starve cancer's blood supply, reduce inflammation, and set your metabolism ablaze in one go. We've now talked about the 5 salads that can help the body regrow stem cells and burn fat. Still, you might need to work on another important aspect when it comes to truly fighting cancer: eating more fruits. So, watch this next video to discover the best fruits to not only nourish your body, but also supercharge your defenses and help even further with regrowing stem cells.